Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cash out on Crypto Miner Tycoon. So, let's get started. At the bottom, you'll see a plus icon. If you tap it, you'll find an exchange option. Many people mistake this for the withdrawal button, but it's actually for exchanging money for crypto. To withdraw real money, it's not that straightforward, and the options can be confusing. For instance, you might see a money to crypto coin exchange, but that's just for crypto trading, not withdrawing cash. If you continue exploring the app, you might find options like investors or other features, but none of them provide a clear withdrawal method. This could lead you to believe the app is fake. However, it's not a scam. You've just misunderstood its purpose. The app is designed for fun, and it doesn't claim to offer real money withdrawals. The game is intended for entertainment, and while you can earn virtual money, you can't cash out. So if you've been wondering how to take your money out, the answer is simple: you can't. If you're looking for games or apps that actually pay out in crypto or real money, there are legit alternatives. But Crypto Miner Tycoon is not one of them. And that's it. Thank you for watching.